Good afternoon. Today I'm making one of the highly anticipated meals. The first fresh wild sockeye salmon from Costco Wholesale. They only received 25 pounds of this today. The Teterboro warehouse is a huge warehouse. You might know, but it's a bad salmon season. It opened May 15th in Alaska, and they're not doing too well, but managed to get some today. Right now I'm reducing the can of organic diced tomatoes with garlic, some fresh herbs, and a little olive oil, a little red wine, and I'm going to put that on top of the fish after it's cooked. This salmon will take exactly 7 minutes on a stovetop grill. And I also have some collard greens for dinner. So the organic diced tomato reduction is almost ready. You can see it's thickening. The sauce is thickening nicely. And I'll just set that aside and put the grill on the stove. So my stovetop grill covers 2 burners. I have them set between medium and medium high. And I'm using non-GMO spray-on cooking oil for canola oil. The salmon will go skin side down for about 4 minutes, and then I'll turn it over for another 3 minutes, and then it'll be ready. I'll add the reduction of tomatoes and a spoonful of pesto on top of that. So that's a great dinner. Letting the grill heat up for a second. 4 minutes on the skin side. I'll flip them over for 3 more minutes. You can see how the fish is raw in the center. So when that disappears, I know it'll be ready. So there it is, 7-minute sockeye salmon with the reduction of organic diced tomatoes and pesto, some parsley, just to finish it off. Here's my great dinner. Fresh sockeye salmon from Prince William Sound in Alaska. Organic collard greens with garlic, no salt seasoning, little red pepper flakes. And salmon is topped with some reduction of organic diced tomatoes and pesto. Enjoy.